Oh, by the way, just for sake of comparison, look. That's like 3, almost 4 inches shorter. Crazy. Today's a car enthusiast favorite day. Just got coilovers. These are Tein Flex Z. And I'm about to open them right now.
He was the same one that tried to do the Honda.
Same struggling?
Same no.
Oh yeah. Comes with everything, even has the dust sleeve, dampening adjustment, ride height, spring load. These are pretty heavy, heavier than I thought. This is pretty straightforward. All I'm doing is just taking the wheels off, replacing the stock assembly. I'm not going to show much of the install. It's pretty simple and bolt on. Then again, I always say that and then run into issues, so we'll see. I should have took a picture before. Oh well. I have a bunch of pictures. Okay, so I got this in. This was a little tricky. Some bolts were like trying to strip, and then things were just a little like confusing. Not confusing, but it took a lot of maneuvering to get stuff in, but I did get it in. Everything's tightened down and torqued to spec. Looks really good. This is only one side though. You kind of have to use the jack to put this into place in order to slide this bolt in right here, because you're not gonna be able to load the spring by hand unless you're like God or something. But yeah, I didn't adjust anything at all. I'm gonna see how it looks once I put all 4 corners on. If I don't like how low it is, I can lower it some more. I probably will, but I'm not gonna go too low. I do want to be able to get a jack under here, number one, and then I don't want to scrape around everywhere like all the stance boys love doing and ruining their toe maze and their nice bumpers and body kits and everything. So, oh, by the way, just for sake of comparison, look. That's like 3, almost 4 inches shorter. Crazy. Alright guys, moment of truth. Shout out to my buddies Archeol and Kyle. They helped me out with the install. We're gonna see how low this is. Alright, let's do it. Alright, definitely notice the difference. Barely 1 finger gap. That was like almost 3, I think. 2 finger gap now. That was like a lot. I don't even know. It was like a whole fist. But the car, it's not so low to where it looks ridiculous and scraping the ground. Oh, this looks nice. Very happy. The garage is a mess. Been working for like a day straight. Ooh. Oh, dude, this changes the whole car. Dope, dope, dope. Okay, so definitely got rid of some of the wheel gap. I do want to go a little lower though, because I still got some space right here. Now I checked on my driveway. The thing that would hit is these exhaust tips. So I still have like an 1.5 to 2 inches of clearance. But if I go lower, I'm probably gonna drop it another inch. I think that would look good, and then I'd call it. But yeah, the car does look better. That ugly wheel gap is gone for the most part. I might want to get spacers for the back, because you can see the fitment is not hella flush. Check out my buddy's 86. I never see 86s anymore. Hella clean. Kimochi Life, follow him. Cool thing I forgot that I just saw right now. In the box it came with a badge, not even just a little sticker. It's an actual like badge that has like depth to it and everything. Pretty dope. Don't know where I'm gonna put this exactly. I don't know if I really want to like sticker bomb my car too much. I might put like a banner on the windshield, but other than that, I don't want to go crazy with decals. I think it already looks nice how it is. I mean, maybe the rear windshield could use some stuff, maybe Motordyne and then Z1 Motorsports, but I don't really know. This isn't gonna go on the body. It's just gonna look tacky, so maybe I'll put it in the engine bay, who knows. But that's the original strut and shock, or spring, sorry. So I think what I want to do here, I think I actually want to lower the back maybe another inch, and I might drop the front another 1/2 inch maybe. The front's already pretty low though. I mean, look, I can't even like put a finger in there now with the hill I'm on. The back does still look a little high for my taste. I do want it looking nice, I just don't want it scraped. That's the issue. I have no scraping or hitting the ground problems right now. Maybe if I go lower, I might. We'll see. We're trying to figure that out. I'm probably gonna do that another day though. This install did take a while. I'm pretty tired, I'm dirty, I need a shower, and I've not eaten anything. Car definitely does look better though. And the ride is actually, I test drove it, I didn't get that on video. The ride is not too bad. The ride is actually pretty solid. It's not far off from OEM. So I definitely recommend these. I am 100% impressed with the fitment, quality, no sounds, no knocking, nothing funky. It's not too rough. Of course, at the settings I'm at with the dampening and everything. Maybe that'll change later. I don't know, but for right now, this is perfect for ride quality. So if you're looking for coilovers and you don't want cheap ones, but you don't want to break the bank either, this is like a great like middle tier or starter coilover, and I 100% recommend them. These are Tein Flex Z's, A1.